Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2015 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 that was recently traded in to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find that legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this is shown in that gorgeous and classic bright silver metallic color. Down below, you'll be riding on 20-inch aluminum wheels that are housing a brand new set of tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So on your factory remote, you do get your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. Again, you get these beautiful brand new Goodyear tires on there, signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a nice safety feature. And once inside, beautiful black interior. Your mirrors are power folding, which is a nice convenience feature. Brushed metal and chrome accenting throughout power mirrors, windows, and locks, of course. Plenty of storage in the door along with some cup holders. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get this gorgeous sporty finish with your sport package. On your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have cruise control and shifting options to your right, to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection buttons. And behind my fingers there, you do have audio-mounted controls, fully automatic headlights, and a tilt option on your steering wheel. The current mileage sits at 153,047 kilometers. And then you have a large menu of information that you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Moving on over to the right, you have your ignition area and your dial shifting knob with 4x4 options. Nice clean dash area with some added detail with that double stitching and RAM detailing up top. AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media options, you have USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD card. Into your controls, climate control, a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone and settings. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for your climate control, trailer brake control, traction control, and tow haul AC outlet to the right, 12-volt outlet in the middle. And then you have all of your media ports tucked away. Down below, plenty of additional space. We'll give you a quick pan through the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition. Of course, lots of leg room, glove compartment down below, additional space above that, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, and your rear sliding window. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide. You have a nice carpeted runner, keeping everything in excellent condition. Underneath here, you do have storage and these panels that fold out to give you a nice flat traveling surface. This is great, for example, if you have pets. The bottoms of the seats are also illuminated as well, and underneath you do have storage beneath the feet. So very comfortable back area for any back passengers. And as we head into the back bed, it is lined for added durability, and you do have tie-down hooks in the four corners. We'll give you a quick shot of that rear sliding window and then your trailer hitch receiver, of course. So overall, as you can see, that's just a very quick tour. This is a gorgeous truck, though. If you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we would love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.